We are today assembled here for a launch of our new car, Celerio. This car we have three-stage launch basically. First we had on 6th in Auto Expo, which is a national launch. Yesterday we had launch in AP, and today we are having third launch in our dealership at Varun Gachibowli. As you know that this is a new car and with a new technology, new platform. This car, the unique feature of this car is that it's basically designed, it's what we call it as an easy drive car. It has an option of automatic gear shift as well as manual. Now auto gear shift technology has been introduced in India for the first time. Normally if you look at the number of people who drive automatic transmission cars are very less in number. Now two reasons why less number of people drive automatic transmission car. One is that normally from manual transmission to automatic transmission, normally the difference is of almost about 1 lakh rupees. Same car, same model, automatic transmission and manual transmission, the difference in the price is about 1 lakh rupees. Second apprehension that people have why they don't drive automatic transmission car is that the mileage is slightly lesser. Now addressing these 2 points, Maruti Suzuki has launched a new technology called auto gear shift technology, where the mileage of the vehicle is 23.1 kilometer per liter, which is a very huge mileage for the car of this range. Second, the difference between the manual transmission and automatic transmission is only about 40,000 rupees and not 1 lakh rupees. So both these two concerns of the customers have been addressed in this car. If you ask me some of the salient feature apart from being a very high mileage and easy drive in terms of gear shifting, today in current congested city traffic condition, if you see that gear shifting becomes a major hassle, right, and people would like to drive easy. So no gear shifting is required. This is the auto gear shift technology we have introduced in the first time in India. Second is that you avoid those stress, that frequent gear shifting and congested traffic condition, you avoid those stress that you feel driving in the city. If you look at in terms of space, the vehicle is very spacious from inside. Design-wise, the vehicle looks very attractive. Lot of features have been added in this vehicle in terms of technology, which is drive-by-wire technology. Then you have a lot of accessories added. Say, for example, Bluetooth, which can be synchronized with 5 cell phones together. Right? You can listen to the music just by having control on the steering. So, and the vehicle is very good boot space, almost 235 liters of boot space is there. So, in terms of technology, in terms of space, in terms of the gizmos that is there in the car, this car is most suited for today's generation, and those people who are, wanting to have an easy drive must take a look at this car. So I would like to thank everybody here. Director Saab, thanks a lot for supporting us, encouraging us and coming here. I would like to also thank the media people and Varun team for doing good work. Everybody wants to have a comfort and convenience of driving. Whether it is ladies, gents, or see, all of us office going also, we drive a lot. So we would like to have a vehicle which is comfortable and gives you a stress-free drive actually. So basically it addresses that concern, and I'm sure the stress is concern for everybody actually. So it is suitable for ladies, it is suitable for office goers, it is suitable for even people who are what we call it senior citizens, everybody actually. So basically it addresses the concerns both of stress-free driving as well as gives you very high fuel efficiency.